Welcome to Introduction to Python, where we'll explore the fascinating world of one of the most popular programming languages in the world. I'm Ali. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Python's history, highlight its advantages, and showcase its diverse real-world applications. Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. It was officially released in 1991 as Python 0.9.0. Python's name was inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python. And over the years, it has evolved into a versatile and powerful programming language. Python is often compared to other programming languages like Java, C++, and Ruby. What sets Python apart is its simplicity and readability. Python's elegant syntax makes it easy for developers to write clean and concise code, reducing the chances of errors. So why should you choose Python? There are several compelling reasons. Python is renowned for its versatility, allowing you to build a wide range of applications from web development to data analysis and machine learning. Its extensive standard library provides pre-built modules for various tasks, saving you time and effort. Its simplicity and applicability have made it a favorite among developers, contributing to its impressive market share. Python is not limited to a single domain. It's a multi-purpose language. It is widely used in web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and more. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool in various industries. Let's take a look at some real-world applications of Python. It's the backbone of popular websites like YouTube and Instagram. Python's data analysis libraries, such as pandas in NumPy, are crucial for data scientists. Machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch rely heavily on Python. Even in the world of finance, Python is used for algorithmic trading. In conclusion, Python's rich history, simplicity, versatility, and real-world applications make it a programming language worth exploring. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python offers endless possibilities for creativity and problem solving. Join us in our upcoming videos as we dive deeper into the world of Python programming. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.